How to message someone on Tumblr. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can message someone on Tumblr. In order to do so, first of all, open your Tumblr application on your mobile device or go to Tumblr website on your browser and ensure that you are logged into your account. Also note that in order to message someone on Tumblr, first of all, you will need to have your email verified. Now if you have done that, on this home page, tap on the smiley face icon at the bottom and in this page, swipe it to the left side to choose the message tab. By doing so, here at the bottom right, you'll be able to locate the plus button. Tap on it and now search for the person whom you would like to message. You will need to type in the name of that person to whom you would like to send the message. And once you find the person here, tap on their profile name to open their chat page. Now here you'll be able to send your message. Type in your message in this text box and tap on the airplane-like icon at the right side. By doing so, you'll be able to send a message to someone on Tumblr. Now if they respond your message, you can continue the conversation. Also, if you want to send the message to someone from your news feed, then in the news feed here tap on the profile name of the person whom you would like to message and then inside it here at the top right you will be able to see some icons. Tap on the plus button and then from here tap on send a message. After that you will be able to see their chat page. Here now you can type in your message in the text box and tap on this airplane-like icon at the right side to send your message. So by following these steps you can send message to someone on Tumblr. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.